In this video tutorial I am going to design the crankshaft of engine project. So this is the sketch of the tabs on the crankshaft. The diameter of this circle, the bigger circle, is 40 and this one is 23, and there is two circle here, these are 20 diameter, and these are also dimensions. And this is the isometric view of the crankshaft. Go to create sketch, and I am going to select this plane and draw a circle. Zoom it. Diameter of this circle is 20 and finish the sketch. Go to isometric view and extrude. In the negative direction I am going to extrude this area. It's 25.5 minus 25.5, and then just rotate it in that direction. Again go to create sketch, and I am going to select this face my second sketch. Draw a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 40, and there is another circle like here, like that, and dimension of this circle is 20. Sorry, this circle is 23, like that, and then draw a line like that. Go to trim and trim this portion and this portion. Like that. Then go to sketch dimension, and from here to here it's 5. Like that, and add a horizontal vertical relation for this point and the center of this point, and go to modify and fillet, and the radius of this fillet is 3, and there is another, so select this one and this one, it's 3, like that. So finish the sketch, go to this view and extrude. Make sure you select these two areas and extrude in that direction. And for this extrusion it's B is 3, it's 3. Okay. Then again go to create sketch, select this surface and draw a circle, and for this circle make sure you select the center point of this circle, this center point. So make sure you select the center point. As you move in the center of this circle, the center will appear, and this is 20 diameter. and finish this sketch and extrude. And this, for this extrusion, the length is C, it's 4. And then go to create sketch, and for now I am going to select this surface, and then go to create and project. I want to project this and select this one. So this, the edges of these will be become the sketch on that surface. That's what the project did. So finish sketch. We don't need it to sketch again, we just projected this sketch on that surface. Create, and it's 3, as you know, B is 3, and click OK. So these 2 tabs are done. Now we needed to make the second tabs, this one. So as you see in this statement, this is 100 mirrored 100 degree. So go to create, select that and circle 20, finish, extrude, and this is 2. So D is 2. So for this profile, this one is 2. Okay, and again go to create and select this surface. And now for this surface, again I am going to draw the sketch, and now this is 23, and horizontal vertical relation for this center and this center. And then go to line and draw a line like that. Go to trim and trim the distance from this center to this line is 5 as given, and go to modify and fillet, select this one, and the radius of fillet is 3. So finish. So now this is the sketch which is rotated 100 degree. Select the profile, and this one is 4. Okay. Now again go to create, select this surface and draw a circle. The circle will start from the center of this circle. So this is 20. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Sorry. Make sure you select this inner. This, and it's 4. 3, C is 4. This is 3. Go to create sketch and select this surface, and go to project. Select this surface, and this whole sketch is projected on that surface. Finish, extrude, select the profile, and this is 3. Click OK. Now as you see, this is done. The first torque section is done. Then go to create and select this surface, draw a circle like that, and the diameter of this circle is 20. Finish, extrude, 25.5. Okay. So as you see, we draw this this portion, this shaft, this torque section, and this portion. Now we are going to make this second section of the torque section. So basically I am going to linear pattern this portion, as you see in the view, this portion in that direction, then this portion in that direction, then this portion. So we needed to make the same like in the view. So this torque section same in that direction and in that direction. So basically these two tab is same in the next torque section. So that what we are going to do. So what I am going to do, I needed to create pattern, select rectangular pattern, and faces. Instead of faces we needed to select the features, and for the objects we needed this object, this object, this object. So these three objects we needed, and for the direction I'm going to select this direction. So we are going to make it in that direction, and for the quantity we needed just 2. So now we needed to select the distance. Here the distance which we are going to use to make the linear pattern. So what is the distance? Distance will be minus 25.5, then minus 3, then minus 4, then minus 3. So from here this point to this point we selected this distance. So click OK. So as you see, it's linear pattern from this surface to this surface. So from here to here this one to this one. So this distance is 35.5. This distance we use to linear patterning. So now we needed to create sketch on this surface, and 20 finish, and the extrusion of this is 2. So now we needed to linear pattern this portion from here to here. So let's measure the distance from this to this one. This distance is 59.5. So I am going to select create linear pattern and features object. Which object we needed? We needed this object, and this object. For the direction, this direction, quantity 2, and here we needed, so minus 59.5 is the distance. So click OK. So as you see, it's done. Now for the third is same as this torque section. So I am going to make the select this surface circle, and dimension of this circle is 20 diameter. Finish, extrude, and this extrusion is 25.5. Click OK. Now I am going to linear pattern this whole section. Okay, so measure the distance from this to this distance is 47.5. So go to create linear pattern feature. Which feature we are going to, I am going to use this one, this one, this one, and this one. Minus 47.15. Click OK. So 1 2 3 3 torque section we design it. Now this third one. So this tab is 180 degree. So now we are going to circular pattern this torque section. Sorry, linear rectangular pattern this torque section. So they have in the same direction. Okay, so here the distance from this point to this point, this distance is 142.5. so create rectangle pattern features. I'm going to this tab, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and direction is this direction, quantity is 2. Here we needed it, so it's minus 142.5. done. And then create 20, finish, extrude, and this extrusion is 25.5. So now the crankshaft is done. That's what we needed.